What's up, YouTube? This is Yu-Gi-Oh! Guy, and I'm facing off against this man named the Dragon. The Dragon Onier. And right now I have Wind Up Rabbit in my hand, Dimensional Prison, Wind Up Dog, and I have Wind Up the Carrier. Oh, I don't know how to say his name. I also have Wind Up the Carrier. Is it Master? The Carrier is the Master, and Wind Up the Master. Okay, so I have in my graveyard right now Wind Up Knight, Wind Up Shark, and Wind Up Soldier. Oh, and he just played a card. Tomlin Dragon. This card can be treated as 2 tributes for the tribute summon of a dragon type monster. Oh, wow, that's nice. Well, what are you gonna get? I have a 15,000 attack and a 15,000 there. And right now I have Utopia, Wind Up Arsenal Zaman, Wind Up Zaman, and another Wind Up Zaman. I am using my Wind Up deck, and this is the first game we played. And so, this man is taking a little bit too long. Let me tell him to go. And also, what I said, I'm trying to make these videos a little bit more professional, and I hope this gets a little bit more professional for you guys. Oh, my turn. Okay, let's see what we get. Wind Up Rabbit. Okay, so now I have the Wind Up Factory on the field. I can go through my deck, view, go to something. I'll Wind Up Kitten, special summon an attack. Let's see. Also play. What's his? All right, I'll play Wind Up Dog. Let's see what I can do. 2 level 4s, 2 level 5s, 2 level 3s, 2 level 3s. Okay. Oh. Okay. Why not? Just here. Attack. I'll attack his Totem Dragon. Effects. Okay, I don't really care. Okay. So now I'm having 2 overlays, and I'm looking to summon Utopia. No, I'm actually looking at 2 level 5s. Do I have 2 level 5s? No. So I have Dimensional Prison right now, and I'm waiting. This guy has not attacked me, and right now his life points are at 5,100, and I'm untouched. I took a no life point damage. And right now we're just going back and forth, seeing who's going to win. But, of course, we know who's going to win. I ended my turn. You draw. My bad. Here we go. And Dueling Network. Montage Dragon 1. Look me up. Please make sure to subscribe. I have 1 subscriber so far. And I've posted a couple of videos. Let me know what you guys want in a YouTube, what you want on my channel and what you don't. I've just done an unboxing. Check out that. Oh well, I actually have that deck close right here. The Realm, Dragon Realm. I've done this unboxing. I'll be doing more unboxings on this, little thing, because you guys, I see that other people enjoy it when I do that. And here's my turn. What did we get? A Wind Up Juggler. Ooh. Alright. Okay, what level is it? Alright. I'll try. Let me see what I can overlay with. Level 4, level 5. Oh, no, I can't do that. So I'll just... end my turn. Okay, so let me know what you want inside of a YouTube channel. Let me know what you want to see, what you want to do, what you want me to check out, ban list, unboxings. I'm trying to follow off of Simply Unlucky. What's up, guys? It's Simply Unlucky. I'll do that voice. Trust me, I will. Whatever gets me YouTube Yugi subscribers. Right now I'm watching Mordecai and Rigby. I don't think you can see my TV, but let me know what you want in a YouTube subscriber. I'm trying to make this channel as good as possible. I'll be doing more Dueling Network videos because I haven't been doing those in a while. Well, I don't want to make this video too long, but I'm not going to say goodbye right now. Oh, I have my wind up. The cards that I have played is Wind Up Hunter and Wind Up Rabbit. 2 level 3s, a level 3, a level 3. Wind Up Knight and Wind Up Warrior to summon Wind Up Zen Master. Wind Up Kitten, Wind Up Dog, Wind Up Rabbit. Wind Up Factory is what I'm getting this by. Wind Up Dimensional Prison. Okay, go. Dude, go. Oh, my turn. Wind Up Shark. What can I do? I need a level 4. Okay, I'll send my Wind Up Kitten to Grave. Play Wind Up Cat. I wish I wanted to use those now. Well, I can also go through my deck. Summon another Wind Up. Do I have one more Wind Up Dog? No, it says... Oh, hey, look what he said. I'm like, dude, go. He's like, I'm dead. And I'm like, LOL. Okay, so now I'll just attack your ass. I mean, attack... Yeah, I don't really give a hell. Attack his ass. Take your damage, you motherfucker. And that's the winds up. That's the comeback of the wind ups. That's what I'm gonna name it. Comeback of the wind ups. Dead. Dead. Admit. Swag. Oh, he wants a rematch? Okay. I have all the cards I need. Really, I've done good with this deck. Okay, this is my wind-up deck. Blue Medicine. Oh, why did I not draw one of those? He's not done siding. He wants his...